Here's the rule that will save your trading account. If any single trade goes against you by $250, you sell immediately. No exceptions. No waiting to see if it comes back. $250 is your maximum loss per trade. This one rule alone will protect you from the mistakes that wipe out most new traders.
Most new traders obsess over when to buy. They study setups, analyze charts, look for the perfect entry. But when they are in the trade, they have no plan for getting out. They are flying blind. Here is why selling is psychologically harder than buying. When you buy, you are full of optimism. Buying feels good. Selling involves loss, either accepting a monetary loss or giving up profits you already have. The human brain avoids loss far more powerfully than it seeks gain. This is why traders hold losing positions too long and take profits too early.
Back to that $250 rule. Here is why it works. $250 is a manageable loss. It will not derail your trading career. It is completely recoverable in your next few trades. But $1,000? $2,000? Those losses hurt your account, your confidence, and your ability to keep trading. Here is the math that makes this powerful. If you risk $250 per trade and target a 2-to-1 reward, each winning trade returns $500. You can lose 3 trades in a row, and 1 win still puts you ahead. That is how you stay in the game long enough to get good. As your account grows and your experience builds, adjust the number. But starting with $250 as your absolute maximum loss per trade is a gift you give your future self.
The practical tool for implementing your sell rules is the stop-loss order. This is an order you place with your broker that automatically sells your position if price falls to a specified level. 3 rules for using stop losses effectively. Set your stop loss the moment you enter the trade, not after. Place it below the nearest support level, not a random dollar amount. And never move your stop further away to avoid being stopped out. Moving a stop further away turns a small planned loss into a large, unplanned one. You can move your stop closer as the trade moves in your favor, locking in profits as the stock rises. That is smart risk management. If this is helping you, hit like, share this video, and subscribe right now. Follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free trading education every week.
Here is something most educators do not tell you about stop losses. They do not always fill at exactly your specified price. In normal market conditions, they work well. But when a stock drops rapidly on bad news or an earnings miss, prices can fall so fast that your stop fills significantly lower than you set. You expected a $2 loss, but got a $4 loss. This is called slippage. This is why position sizing matters. If you're only risking 1 to 2% of your account per trade, even a stop that slips will not be catastrophic. Use stop losses on every trade. The protection they provide far outweighs the slippage risk.
Selling when you are winning is just as important as selling when you are losing. Set your profit target before you enter the trade. Based on the chart, the distance to the next resistance level, the height of the pattern, determine a realistic price target. When it gets there, sell. Do not get greedy. For swing trades, consider taking partial profits. Sell half your position at your first target to lock in real gains. Move your stop loss to your entry price. Now you cannot lose money on the trade. Let the remaining half ride toward a secondary target. This reduces anxiety and lets winners run at the same time.
Knowing when to sell protects your capital and compounds your gains over time. Use the $250 rule as your safety net. Use stop losses on every single trade. Set profit targets before you enter. And never let a small loss become a big loss by hoping and holding. These rules are simple. Following them consistently, that is the hard part. But with practice, they become second nature. And when they do, you will have the discipline that separates profitable traders from everyone else. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for free trading education every week. And follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free stock alerts every single week. Builders do not sleep until the dream is real.